गाइस एंड वेलकम टू टेक कैड गुरु। तो आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं सेंट्रल वर्किंग फाइल, ये जो दिख रहा है इसे कैसे क्रिएट किया जा सकता है। सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, select the template in whichever I can say projects you have been working on। आर्किटेक्चर होगा तो आर्किटेक्चर टेम्पलेट, स्ट्रक्चर होगा तो स्ट्रक्चरल टेम्पलेट, मैकेनिकल होगा तो मैकेनिकल टेम्पलेट। सो फॉर नाउ आर्किटेक्चर टेम्पलेट हम लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, हिट एन ओके बटन। प्रोजेक्ट 1 को मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ। सो दिस इज द न्यू प्रोजेक्ट विच वी हैव ओपन and we want to make it as a central model. So what we have to do is first save this file, let it be, go to the collaborate tab, click on the collaborate, save the model and continue. For example, if I save it at the laptop drive by giving it a name of central working file sample, or else we will give it as TechCAD Guru and click on save button. So this file is becoming a central model. At the path PK work, for example, at this laptop drive, the file, see the central working file is being saved. After that there are two options. First is an collaborate and second first is an within the network and second is in the cloud. So what is the first option and what is the second option? So first option is collaborate on a local or a wide area network, LAN or WAN. The model will be converted to a work shared central model. So what is this option? So for example, if you are sitting in the same office and your desktops and the CPU has been connected with the LAN cable, so you have to select this, the first option. From that, the one single file, the one central working file sample TechCAD Guru, this is the single file will be saved at the single location and then can be used within the networks working at the same place. And in the cloud, collaborate with the control permissions among project members. The model will be cloud work shades in the project you select. So this is the option in which it's been saved at the BIM 360. For that you will need a license of BIM 360. You have to log in through your BIM 360 account and then the path will be saved at that location. So for example, for the practice, you can save it at the local machine and we will be clicking it on OK. So the file is going to make a central version of it. So let's wait. You have to save the file now. Control S, click on yes. So this is the first time that the project has been saved since working was enabled. This project will be therefore become the central model. Do you want to save this project as the central model? If you want to save the file as a central model with a different name or different file location, click no and use the save as command. So at this pop-up you have to select the yes option. You can see over this the synchronize with central model has been enabled and before it was been freeze like and reload latest. So if you, for example, if I draw the wall, let's take rectangle, two circles, less. So if you save this with this central model, there will be the pop-up of synchronize with central. So the first option is compact central model slow. So this will be always better to sync with the file. So click on compact central model and hit on OK. As mentioned there, it will take a bit time and the file is been now saved to the central model. So what's the reason we have to synchronize with the central? The reason is if the second user is working in the same single file, So once it's synchronized with the central, the work which you have been saved at the single file, at this file, will be visible to them in their local working file. So this was regarding the creation of central working file, uh, how to sync the central file, and how to save at the path. So for example, if you're working in the single file and if you want to share the path of this file, so what you will do, go to the files. So this was the location where the central working file was saved, and this is the path. So copy this path and share with the users which are working in this single file. So that's all for today, and thank you so much, guys.